कलाकारों के घर का एक अलग ही चार्म होता है। ये कहना सही होगा कि हमारे कलाकारों का घर इज नॉट ऑलवेज अबाउट ग्लिट्स एंड ग्लैमर बट अबाउट क्लास एंड टेस्ट ऑल्सो। well, आज हम आपके लिए फिर एक बार ले आए हैं सेलिब्रिटी होम्स विद स्टार्स, जहां पे टेली चक्कर के इस सेगमेंट में हम आपको ले जाने वाले हैं एक ऐसी अदाकारा के घर में जिन्होंने अपनी मूवीज के जरिए, अपने एक्टिंग स्टिंट के जरिए जीता है फैंस एंड ऑडियंस का दिल।
Hi, please come in.
जी हाँ, हम बात कर रहे हैं इश्क ज़ादी जैसी मूवी के साथ अपने स्टिंट को काफी ज्यादा प्रोमिनेंटली सामने लेकर आने वाली अदाकारा परिणीति चोपड़ा के बारे में। जी हाँ दोस्तों, लोकेटेड इन द हार्ट ऑफ मुंबई, परिणीति चोपड़ा का अपार्टमेंट इज इन क्वाइट द प्लश एरिया, 3400 स्क्वायर फीट फ्लैट फेसिंग एन अरेबियन सी। Other than the obvious stunning sea views, आपको बता देते हैं कि उनके घर के इसी राइट वाइब को जो चीजें ऐड करती हैं और उनको स्पेक्टेकुलरली आउटस्टैंड करती हैं, उनके घर में आपको देखने को मिलेंगी काफी सारी ऐसी उम्दा चीजें। The white glass doors to the window panels, it's filled with and the quirky decor accessories that pack a punch with their bold hues and texture. Well, you really can't miss the prominent features उनके घर के जो बनाते हैं उनके इस घर को एक सपनों का आशियाना। Talking about Parineeti Chopra, indeed, the drama queen welcomes you aboard in her own style. As soon as आप उनके घर में एंटर करते हैं, आप देखेंगे कि कैसे उनका house is going to be unlike anything you might have actually come across or maybe imagined. The entrance, the passageway has a lot of whimsical details. The key holder that spells out drama queen and the miniature guitars on the wall. It's a fun space born in an architect's office, but in the charged and active mind of its owner. The next one on the list being the gorgeous beautiful living room that you really can't miss watching, जो आपको vibe देगा घर की। जी हाँ, it will not give you the vibe of lavishness but the vibe of homeliness. Against the whitewashed brick wall trend alert, Parineeti Chopra's living room is quite the spacious one of bold colors, quirky cushions and a lot of greenery. The abstract painting adds the right kind of glam to the wall and the blue couch below. The light-colored flooring allows the ample experiments with colors in the rest of the room decor. And you really can't miss the hint of red in the painting on that single cushion, the side cabinets and also the nesting table that ties the entire decor all together. Well, how can we really forget that oatmeal stool जिनको use किया जा रहा है as a coffee table in the center of the blends is actually something जो पूरे sofa set को या ये कहें पूरे look को complete करता है. Keeping it minimal, the house plants on the table are perfect example and the view from the balcony is quite the one that will make you fall in love with the entire house and also the view itself. Considering her house is in Mumbai, even if she's a celebrity, her balcony has indeed a lot of space. The sitting is quite cute and inviting, but the best bits are the greenery and the see-through blinds. Every Mumbaiite knows कि कैसे the sea view houses have to close their doors and windows when it rains. Otherwise, जो पानी है वो घर के अंदर आ जाता है. The see-through blinds will actually ensure that Parineeti can actually enjoy the gorgeous Bombay rains over the Arabian Sea with no tension of actually the rains entering her house or maybe ruining the furniture. बात करें अगर उनके घर की wooden flooring and actually घर के अलग texture की, तो आपको बता देते हैं the wooden flooring is quite the one that is adding the exact right amount of warmth to the balcony, and we are having some serious balcony goals out here in this picture. How can we really forget the entertainment room, seeing कि कैसे Parineeti is one of the prominent faces in the entertainment industry. Well, the entertainment room is quite the one of the filming owl. These pattern sliding doors with the tripod-shaped lamps set on either side open up to reveal the entertainment room. This is the soundproof room that the actress often uses to work in peace and rehearses scenes in. It's got gorgeous white shelves that are divided into a trophy display unit, a DVD collection space, and an area for books. And that blue sofa looks utterly comfy for any of those activities out there. The entertainment room is also a cozy one and a stunning view. It serves as an ideal reading space. Hashtag reading corner goals is something that will really pop your mind. And indeed, if you are the book lover, you will indeed fall in love with Parineeti's house all the more. Because उनके घर में एक बहुत ही बड़ा shelf है that's full with a lot of books. She has a wall full of book covers, some of her favorite novels and comic books. Seriously, come on. That is indeed the wall art goals. If anybody loves different kind of wall arts, then this is actually a go-to goal. This wall divides the living room from the entertainment room, and the rustic touch works well against the colorful book covers without making it look cluttered and also dull. The quirky dining space is something that will actually make you fall head over heels in love with it. The features in dining area is vintage style chairs in different candy hued fabrics standing outside a mirrored wall. जब विंटेज की इतनी बात की जा रही है तो हम कैसे भूल सकते हैं उस कॉर्नर ऑफ परिणीता के घर का जहां पे the bedroom is also having the vintage touch to it. The bedroom looks straight out of a classic Hollywood film set. The wooden walls against the white upholstered bed, natural light streaming in, cute pattern nightstands and vintage night lamps makes the room quite the dream come true. The world map at the other end of the bed completes the cool vibe of the master bedroom. और ये कहना सही है, it's nothing less than grandeur and actually luxury at its own best. The perfect balance of vintage with quirky, Parinita's home decor gives you some serious home goals. Well, ये तो था परिणीता चोपड़ा का खूबसूरत सपनों का आशियाना that is indeed gonna give you quite the house goals or better quite the decor goals. लेकिन आप हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए और नीचे बने कमेंट सेक्शन में शेयर करना बोलिएगा कि परिणीता का ये सपनों का आशियाने के बारे में आप लोग क्या कहना चाहते हैं। Until then, अगले हफ्ते फिर जुड़िएगा हमारे साथ एक और नए एपिसोड ऑफ सेलिब्रिटी होम स्टार्स का ओनली ऑन टेली चक्कर। Know all about the Telly world by subscribing to Telly Chakka's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.